Hello everyone! In today's short video, we will show you how to start working with your repairs and add tickets. Go to the Workflows page. Click on the Add Ticket button. Choose the correct type of form. Now let's add the details about the asset. In this section, we will add the information about the device, asset or appliance we will repair. First, enter the serial number of the device. For tablets and smartphones, an automatic lookup integration will work, which means that if you provide the real IMEI of the device, the system will fill in the group, brand, and model automatically. If you don't want to add the real number, you can just generate it with our system. After this, we need to fill in the client's details. We can find an existing client by name, email address, or phone number, or we can just add a new client. To add a new client, click on the plus sign and name, phone number. We can also add multiple phone numbers here, address, and any additional details that we need to keep in the history and save. Next, we need to add the malfunction, for example, the bad battery life. We can add parts and accessories too, additional notes, and estimated price if needed. Check the urgent checkbox to see the ticket in a separate filter. Due date. Here we choose the deadline when the repair must be finished. If we want to change the status to the done stage by this date, the ticket will be overdue, and you will be able to see and control this on the main overview. Prepayment if we take deposits. And choose responsible employees. Here we can set automatic notifications to, for example, when a technician is assigned to the ticket, they will get a notification. Or when the status of the ticket is changed to done, the manager will be notified too. On the right side, we have the event feed. You will see all changes connected to the ticket here. You can also add pictures, take photos of the device, create tasks for your employees, or leave comments. We can also print documents from tickets. For example, I will want to print an order ticket. We click on Create Ticket. The ticket is created and the document will be printed automatically with filled information about your repair, including the client's name, your company information, date, and so on. Now the ticket is shown on the main list of tickets. Remember, you have the possibility to see tickets in 3 different views. First one, the board view. Here you can just drag and drop your tickets to change statuses. Calendar view, to see how busy your technicians are. And the list view with separate filters for urgent, overdue, incomplete, and waiting for tickets. Additionally, please note that you can create tickets from few different places in the system. From the Workflows page, from the customer profile, go to the client's page, find the client, and add a ticket. From the device profile, go to the devices, find the device we want to repair, and add a ticket. You will have client and the device information automatically. Also, you can create tickets from leads and chats.